Hello, my name's Sam Hunter. The daily routine I'd like to talk about today is the calendar. So currently I am a substitute teacher, and all the classrooms I go into from pre-K all the way to 6th grade have a massive calendar, an entire wall dedicated to the calendar routine. So I think it's a great way to start a day. It makes the kids aware of what's going on, not just at school, but what's outside of school, what day of the month it is. Things like the weather can be incorporated in it. So it makes them really aware of their outside world as well as what's going on at school, such as how many days they've been in school so far. So things that can be done in the calendar, or how I would implement it, is I would use some sort of daily math journal where they can open up to a new page for that day and they can organize it how they want, but they're required to answer a specific set of questions. The first one would be take the number for the day of the month it is. So it's like today's May 15th, they take 15, and then they would find the number that is 10 more and then 10 less than that number and document it in their journal. And then also they would answer simple questions like, is it odd or even? And if the class is there yet, if it's a prime number or not. Then additionally, they would make their own 10 dots chart, which is something that we've seen in this course before, and fill out how many dots are for that day of the month. And then other things that can be done on the calendar is the number of days that they've been in school. That does make them aware, how far they've gone in their grade, where they should be, all that kind of stuff. But then you can also do things like counting by base 10. So you can count up in tens to the number, count down in tens, as well as counting up in things like fives or even ones if you have the time, if the number's low enough. But that really makes them aware of how much time is left in school, where they're at, and then they can relate it also to what month they're in, so they can see, okay, well, school goes from August till June, we've been in this many days, we're in this month, and just so they know what's going on in the world around them. The state standard that this would be a part of is the California State Standard in Math Content for Numbers in Base 10, specifically grades 1 or 2 even, and it is in subsection C. It is use place, value, understanding, and properties of operations to add and subtract. And I love this because, like I said, it connects to the outside world, which I think math, more than a lot of subjects, has a much more obvious connection. So it's very important to incorporate that. And it's a great way to say good morning. First, start off the day with kids knowing what day it is, I think is very important, especially in the younger grades. So thank you so much. Have a great day.